Load your family into the 2012 Infiniti QX56. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as heated seats, skid plates, and leather upholstery. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.